Hey there, science fans, welcome to Endless Curiosity Channel. Have you noticed those funky squares popping up everywhere? On billboards, restaurant tables, even on TV? These aren't just any squares, they're QR codes. And they're changing how we interact with the world around us. It's pretty amazing when you think about it. These little squares can hold a surprising amount of information. But how do they work? Let's dive in and find out. QR code stands for Quick Response Code, and they live up to their name. These codes can be scanned super fast, much quicker than traditional barcodes. But QR codes are much more than just faster barcodes. They can store much more information, making them incredibly versatile. So, how do these squares hold so much information? It's fascinating how such a small, seemingly simple pattern can store a vast amount of data. It's all about the pattern. The arrangement of these tiny squares is what makes QR codes so powerful. QR codes are like miniature grids filled with black and white squares called modules. Each module can be thought of as a pixel in a digital image. These modules represent different pieces of information. The specific arrangement of these squares encodes data in a way that can be easily read by machines. Think of it like a secret code, but instead of letters and numbers, we use black and white squares. Each pattern is unique and can store various types of information, from URLs to contact details. When you scan a QR code with your smartphone, the camera reads the pattern of these modules. The process is quick and efficient, making QR codes incredibly useful in our daily lives. Then, your phone's software decodes the pattern, revealing the hidden information. This could be a website link, a text message, or even payment information. The possibilities are endless with QR codes. Now, let's break down the QR code itself. These little squares hold a lot more than meets the eye. You'll notice some larger squares in 3 corners. These are position markers. They are crucial for the QR code's functionality. They help your phone recognize the QR code and figure out its orientation, even if it's scanned upside down. This ensures that no matter how you hold your phone, the QR code can be read accurately. The rest of the grid is filled with data modules, which contain the actual information. These tiny squares are meticulously arranged to store data efficiently. And here's the really cool part. QR codes also have built-in error correction. This feature is what makes QR codes so reliable. This means that even if your code is damaged or partially obscured, it can still be scanned. The error correction can recover up to 30% of the data, ensuring that the information is still accessible. So, next time you scan a QR code, remember the fascinating technology working behind the scenes. From menus to money QR codes in action, QR codes are everywhere because they're incredibly useful. Restaurants use them for contactless menus. You can scan a QR code to view a website, download an app, or even make a payment. Museums use QR codes to provide visitors with additional information about exhibits. The possibilities are practically endless. Beyond black and white customizing your code. Did you know that QR codes don't have to be boring black and white? You can customize them with different colors and even add your logo. This makes them more visually appealing and helps you connect with your audience in a unique way. A Japanese innovation goes global. QR codes were invented in Japan in 1994 by a company called Denso Wave. They were initially used to track parts in vehicle manufacturing, but it wasn't long before people realized their potential for other applications. Today, QR codes are used worldwide, connecting people to information and services with a simple scan. The future of QR codes. Those black and white squares we see everywhere have an exciting journey ahead. QR codes have come a long way since their invention in 1994 by Denso Wave, a subsidiary of Toyota. Initially designed to track automotive parts, they have now found their way into almost every aspect of our lives. They've become an integral part of our digital lives, bridging the gap between the physical and digital worlds. From making payments to accessing information, QR codes have simplified many tasks. As technology evolves, we can expect to see even more innovative uses for these versatile squares. Imagine a future where QR codes are embedded in augmented reality experiences or even used in virtual reality settings to provide seamless interactions. So next time you see a QR code, don't just scan and go. Think about the potential it holds for transforming our interaction with the world around us. Take a moment to appreciate the science behind these ingenious little squares. They are not just tools for convenience but also gateways to a more connected and interactive future. Curious minds, drop a comment below and let us know what fascinating topic you'd like to see covered next on the channel. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more.